Okay, so first things we need to do is go and turn on SSH. So we'll go to Nethunter, we'll go to Kali services, and in my particular instance it's already running. If it's not running for you, turn it on. Next thing you need to do is find the IP address. So you can click home. You can see the IP address here, WLAN. If the information is not there, you can always hit refresh, and if it still doesn't appear, another easy method is come to Nethunter terminal. Here type ifconfig, and the IP address will be again there in WLANs here. So this is part one of SSHing into your Nethunter Android phone.
All right, part two is you open up Linux, open up a Linux terminal, and first step, let's see if we can ping the phone. So, since we looked up the IP address, we just type ping and the IP address. If you see this, that means we are getting information back, we're getting responses from the pings, so this is good. Our terminal can see the phone. Let's stop it. And now to root into it, it's pretty easy. First, double check that you have SSH. It's pretty easy. Just type in SSH. If you see a return like this, you do have SSH. So next, we just type in SSH, the username, which for Nethunter is going to be root at the IP address we just pinged. 186.20. Go ahead and click enter, and it's going to ask you for that username and password. If it's the default password, it's going to be Tor, T-O-O-R. If you updated the password, it's going to be whatever you updated to. And when we click in there, now you see that our terminal has turned into root at Kali. So it looks exactly like it's on your phone. And there we go. As you see, I've done ls to see what's in there. You have Nethunter boot animation. I am on my phone. And you can now install, update, and use the Linux on your phone through your computer, which makes life a lot easier. Enjoy.